Today I'm going to help you notice something about letters and the sounds that they stand for that maybe you didn't notice before. Let's look at the words on the screen. I'm going to read them. Cat, circus, come, cent, can, celery, cut, and city. You may notice that all of these words start with the letter C. Let's read them downward and see what you notice. Cat, come, can, cut. Circus, cent, celery, city. I want you to think really quick about the C in each word over here, and then think about the C in each word over here. Do these C's and these C's make different sounds at the beginning of the word? Cat, circus. Come, cent. If you said yes, the C's make different sounds, you are correct. The C in the word cat, come, can, and cut all say k. They kind of sound like a K. They make the k sound. K, cat, come, can, cut. If you look at the C's in these words, circus, cent, celery, city, the C kind of sounds like an S. So the ones over here, the C kind of sounds like K. And over here, the C sounds like S. So a C can sometimes have two different sounds. I'm going to read some more words. Chair, cheese, character, chorus, chef, Charlotte. What do you notice about these words and the sounds that the CH in the front of each of them makes? Chair and cheese. The CH says ch, ch. What about character and chorus? The CH in the words character and chorus kind of sound like a K, character, chorus. What about the words chef and Charlotte? The CH kind of makes the SH sound, chef, Charlotte. So what we're learning today is that some consonants make or stand for two or more sounds. Some consonants make or stand for two or more sounds. Today, you guys will be playing a Nearpod game, and you will be matching words that start with the same letter and sound the same. So although the word chair and character start with CH, they both start with CH, the CH in the beginning of each word makes a different sound, so those would not be a match. However, chair and cheese both start with CH, and they both say ch, so those would be a match. And character and chorus both kind of have, even though they both have the CH, they both kind of sound like a K, character and chorus, so those would be a match. And chef and Charlotte both have CH, but they kind of sound like SH, so those would be a match. So you're going to have to pay attention to, do the words start with the same letters, but also do they make the same sound?